For foldable number 4, I decided to do it on the 4 main layers of the earth, which is the crust, mantle, inner core, and outer core. And for this foldable, I kept it simple since I was only going to use 4 vocab words. So you just fold it hot dog style and then hamburger style to get the 4 squares. And for each term, I gave the definition and an image. And for crust, the definition is that it is the outermost shell of the earth, so it's like the outer layer. And then here's the image of the crust. And then the mantle is the largest layer of the earth, which is composed of very hard, dense rock. And then there's an image right there. And for inner core, it has pressures and temperatures so great that the metals are squeezed together and forced to be a solid. And it is 4,000 miles beneath the crust and is 800 miles thick. And then there's an image of it. For outer core, it is composed of melted metals, nickel and iron, and is located 1,800 miles beneath the crust. And there's the image for it.